Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Today we're going to look at the NMY L700. It's a brushless motor GPS drone with dual cameras. I have the camera connected. The app is RX Drone. Hope you can see this. We're going to do GPS flight today. And we're going to do a return to home test and see if we can't get about 3 or 4 of them. All right, well, enough talking about it. Let's get it up in the air and see what it can do. Have it on speed level 3, and it is very breezy today, so we're going to test its wind resistance also. So here we go. Thanks for watching. And it's off in the air. Pretty stable looking so far. Nice. Looks smooth. Let's see if it'll hold its position. Moving a little bit. There's the video feed. I'm gonna go ahead and start a video. So we share that with you on this video somewhere down below. Very cool. Let's take her for a little lap here. See how it'll fly. Speed 3. We got wind. So far, so good. Cutting through it. It's not a racer, but it's cutting through it. All right, let's see if it'll hold its position. Okay. Nice. Very good. Okay. Do a slow 360. Get some video here. Hope everybody's doing well. Happy Super Bowl Sunday if you're watching the Super Bowl today when it comes on. Enjoy. Hope your team wins. Yeah, this thing, so far, it's a joy to fly. Be much better without all this breeze though. But it would move out quite a bit faster. This is good enough. Alright, let's go ahead and get it out there a little ways and attempt our first return to home. That's the direction the wind's blowing, you can tell that. It's really putting. A little bit further out if we can. Alright, let's try it from there. I'm just going to hit the button up here, return to home. Looks like it's moving back already. Now if you run into a snag, just hit the return to home button again and it should stop what it's doing, and then you'll be in control again manually. Alright. That's looking pretty close where it stopped to come down and descend. Hope you guys can see this. I never know when I have this camera on my head. There's an airplane. Big old commercial jet. Looking pretty darn good. There's the landing pad, there's the drone. And I calibrated this when I opened it. I didn't calibrate it here. So. Wow. I think that's just about going to hit the pad. Alright, I'm going to stop it. Look how close that was, guys. Wow. Not bad for a budget drone. Okay, let's get it back out and do another one. Out to the field this time a little way. Okay, I'm going to stop that video now. Video stopped. Maybe not. Now the video stopped. Okay, let's take a snapshot while we're right there looking at the film. There's one. Turn around and look back toward the road here. And there's 2. Okay. A little further out, I'm going to do return home. I do have 19 satellites here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm going to go ahead and initiate another return to home. Here we go. Like it's coming back diagonally toward me, which is a good sign. This is a relatively quiet drone too. I like that. I don't like excessive noise if I don't have to have it. I like my music loud. Man, this is a good drone. Look at that consistency. It's there. Almost back to the landing pad. Not perfect, but real close. And considering all this breeze. Here we go. Let's do one more. Go the opposite side. You're out here. Alright, I'm gonna turn it around looking back this way and then return to home. Here we go. And it just comes right back and forward. Very cool. Nice. That wind's really messing with it, but it's keeping it self-balanced and maintaining its location. A little bit of wobble there, but to be expected. Sub 250 gram drone. Look at that thing. How about that, guys? Very cool. Look at how close. Very close. I think we got enough battery life for one more. Let me double check. Yeah, I think so. Let's go back out in the field and give it one more return to home. Wow. You see me about hit that tree? Gotta have some kind of scare in this video. There it was. Little tree scare. A little more altitude this time. Over this way. Alright, there we go. It's giving me an automatic return to home because of the battery. Or I got out of range, or one of the things that has both features. But it is returning to home just like it needs to be, which makes me happy. I had it quite a bit higher that time, at 122 feet. Or, I'm sorry, 102 meters. The wind is fighting it. Alright, I put it back in manual. I'm going to go ahead and attempt to land it on the pad and call this video good. Man, hard to land when you got all this breeze, but we're going to try. Look at there. Even fighting the wind, we hit the target. And there you have it, guys, the NMY L700 drone. I bought this on Amazon. It was under $200, so it fits in the budget-friendly class. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye.